guys, how's it going? How's back to school? My school year is going pretty good so far. I'm lucky because I have good friends, so I can make new ones but still have my old ones. I'm not like starting out fresh. So if you guys have like a best friend or a good friend that you have, this video is for you because today I'm going to show you how to make a rainbow friendship bracelet. Let's get started. First you'll need different color string and 3 different colors of clay, clips, jump rings. You'll also need white clay, and you don't need clay tools, but they're really helpful, and eye pins. The first step is to get your clay, roll them into strips, and put them in an arch shape. The next step is to cut the excess rainbow off. The next step is to make 2 clouds to put on the ends of your rainbow. So get a little tiny piece of white clay, roll it out, smoosh it, and trim the ends. The next step is to cut your rainbow in half and then put 2 eye pins or 1 eye pin on each half. The next step is to put your 2 charms into the oven for however long your clay packet says. Take your jump ring and your strings, tie your strings to the jump ring and start braiding. Knot the other end onto another jump ring. Attach your clip on using a jump ring. If you want to, get a permanent marker and add the face. Attach the charm onto your bracelet. So, this is what they look like. Once you're done, give it to your best friend. Look totally fabulous. And that's it. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video to share it with all of your friends. Bye!